Science hits the stage as elementary students from all over South Florida come out to see an educational and entertaining show. The theater show, entitled Let's Go Science, is sponsored by the Students Enrichment in the Arts program here in Broward and allows kids to learn difficult theories of physics in an interesting and fun way.
My partner and I, Dr. Know-It-All, and myself, Professor Smart, performed the Let's Go Science show. We travel all around the country doing these shows. We teach the basics of physics to elementary school kids. So we teach a little bit of particle physics. We teach a little bit of gravity, laws of motion. We also do a little bit of challenging stuff, teaching about the scientific method, and that's what our show does. It gives them a couple stepping stones on how things work. It doesn't teach everything, but it teaches what we do is we teach how about 7 or 8 different really physical concepts work in our lives.
To teach these difficult concepts to the students, the show incorporates plenty of visual aids and examples to not only explain the material better, but also keep the students engaged.
The advantage is that you get kids interested in science, not just reading about science, but you get some real hands-on particular science concepts in a fun way. So it makes it real. It makes it just real for kids. Now they understand what that could possibly be to have air pressure when things go up and they touch things, and makes a difference, especially to a kinesthetic learner, somebody who needs to touch to understand.
Another way the show keeps the students engaged is through the use of humor throughout the program, which is a great way to get the elementary kids interested.
Children respond to anything that's fun, exciting, engaging. I know I like things when I'm learning if they're exciting and fun, and so that comedic aspect sort of lightens the content, but it doesn't take the content away. It really reinforces it. So it really does work together, and for children, it works very well.
The fun part about it is like the static electricity. It was really cool when the women's hair went up. It was funny. It was really cool.
But the learning goes beyond the science aspect of the show, as this program can also teach the students an appreciation for the arts, and specifically theater.
Well, you can imagine if you come here, you can go and you learn about science and you laugh and you're with your friends in this beautiful theater. When I was a kid in my grammar school, all we did was one assembly that I remember some guy came and played the accordion, and that was it. This is so exciting to be here.
Well, I think there's nothing like it, and we do know that many of our children don't have that opportunity. So we have this wonderful advantage where we can bring them to the theater to experience not just arts, but arts at its best.
And arts at its best is a great way to describe the Let's Go Science show and the students' reaction to it.
I think it was I liked it. I liked the whole thing. I mean, there's nothing worse about it. I loved the whole thing. Well, it was funny, it was fun, it was amazing, and I learned a lot. It was really funny and educational and interesting. They did lots of funny things, and they showed us scientific things. It was everything it needed to be great.
Well, if you'd like to learn more about the Student Enrichment in the Arts program, you can go to their website at browardschools.com/seeds.